I don't know how. It's really big. Ow! Hurt my totoy. Hey everyone, good morning, good evening. So I just woke up this morning and I realized I got package from Amazon, and I'll just want to show you guys what I got. So I got this jumping rope right here, like this. We're gonna open it and we'll try it later. So there you go guys. It's color red. I'm here outside because it's not hot, it's not cold. The weather this morning, it's really perfect. And I was drinking my cup of tea. It says this tea is for I forgot how to say it, but here you go guys. It's red. Let me try. So that's the trial all. I'm in my pajama right now. So this is good guys for your wellness. So we have another box. This one is bigger, so I think we need somebody to this is fitness hoop, hula hoop. I don't know how this works, but we will try to connect everything. It's pink. I still like the color pink, that is not, but it's not as much now because when you're getting older, your color, your favorite color, it's gonna change. I promise you all, it's gonna change. So I think it's pink and gray. We'll see how this works. There you go. I think I got it. Look at that. I jumped like 5 times and then I think I feel like in it. Igang na siya. So I don't know the hula hoop. I don't know how to do it, but we will try because it's, I know this is a good fitness too. So there you go. Almost done. When I woke up this morning, I thought it's Sunday, but it's not. It's Monday, which is it's work day. It's okay. We need money. So what's up you all? What you all doing? I hope you all doing good. Oh my god, one more. It's this is really big. I don't know how you're gonna do this. You need to, there is like a red thing right here, you need to click it. This week I didn't go hiking because it's really full. There you go. Go try it. Oh my god, it's really hard. Remove the chain. I can't. I don't know how. It's really big. Ow! Hurt my toto. Oh, I got it. 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 Woo! Hola, 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 hola. Oh my god, it smells so nice. You can feel it in your tummy. Okay, I'm getting hot. I'm getting hot. I think I'm done right now. So, so that's it, you all. I got this one. I like it. It's nice. It's pretty good. Mm. So we're gonna make a video soon how this is worked. Like I'm gonna wear workout shirt, I mean clothes, and we're gonna try this too. I'm so excited. So guys, thank you so much by the way for watching, and let me see. Oh, in it. Thank you so much for watching guys, and don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and leave the comment down below if you like the stuff, and I'll give the link down. Okay, and have a good night, good day you all. Bye. Here's the backs of the hula hoop. The color, it's color pink. There you go. And the other one, red. They don't have the pink, so I just picked the red. And here's the outside. We're living in the countryside, guys. It's so nice, peaceful, and it's really beautiful place. There you go. Babush.